Hello, boys and girls. Let's get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Agoti from Friday Night Funkin'. All right, so I'm going to have his head here, his arms out here, and his legs right here. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to draw the top of his head, which is going to be this kind of triangle shape. And then from there, we're going to have lines coming up and then down. And we're going to have a line here, another one here, and down. And then we're going to have his freaky smile face right here with kind of a pointed bottom. And then he's got zigzag teeth. And then his eyes are diagonal with kind of a square edge underneath. Then there's some eyebrows. Okay, then he's got like a, I don't know if this is his jacket that comes out, back in, out, and then has like kind of a curl on the end of it. And then we got the same thing over here. Comes out, in, out, back up, down, and across, like so. Okay, so now there is another little piece to his jacket that comes out, up, and over. And then he's got a shoulder right here. And this is the bottom of his arm. And then he's got a finger that comes up here, comes up and back down, like so. Comes over, and then he's got a pinky that comes over here, comes back up, and then he's got these geometric fingers like that. And then there's like a collar on his jacket, like a sleeve thing, wrist sleeve thing. And then there's another piece that comes around here. And then there's another thing that comes out here that is just kind of squarish like that. And there is his shoulder. And then it looks like we have a bit of a zipper that comes out here. It's kind of angular with a little angular piece on the end. And then we have the bottom of his jacket that comes out with a little zigzag at the end, comes down, over, back up, like so, but then we've got a bunch of stuff over here, so let's wait on that. All right, so let's get his other sleeve. So yeah, here's his sleeve here, and then the other one is over here. Kind of starts, yeah, it starts about right here, so it's just a little kind of squarish thing. And then the bottom kind of comes around like that. And then his fingers over here are a little different. So we have a square like that, comes down, across, back up, and a little square there. And then we have a little square kind of at the bottom here. And then we have the top. And then we've got one finger coming up like that. And we have the same kind of sleeve thing. And then this comes out. He's very angular. Comes around, back up and over. And then this right here has like a V on it. Okay, there's that sleeve. And then neck ends here, comes down at an angle, and then he's got a, oh, I guess those are like ties for his hoodie maybe? And they just come down and back over here with a little doodad on the end, and then he's got some little pocket lines here. We're almost done. You guys are doing great. And then we got a leg with a little bump here, comes out, down, around to the other side, back up, comes up, and then kind of gets skinnier up here. And then we've got the other leg that comes down, zigzag, comes back and down, back. Got some bell bottoms on. And then he's got another line that comes up here. And there's that side. And it looks like he's got some chains on him. He's quite the dresser. And we got another chain here. This one. Go. Rectangle. He's got, this goes in front though. There we go. Woo! All right, and then we got the shoes. So the shoes are just gonna come down, forward, down, up, back and up, and that's the inside part, and then the outside part comes down, comes around, back up, and then there's like a sole tread thing. There we go. And then this one, it's all kinds of weird looking. Comes down, up where his toe is, back down. And the back comes down. And then he's got a sole. I'm running out of room. Eee! There we go. And then we'll put him on the ground. And there is Agoti. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.